We just got done building a Murphy bed this week using the Create-A-Bed system. I've got to say, it's pretty fun. Pretty fun build. Different from our normal cabinets that we're building around here. And the Create-A-Bed system is really nice to use. They give really, really detailed instructions with full cut lists. They give you a full materials list that you're going to need. All their hardware and everything is really high quality. And this build was pretty easy and could be done with really minimal tools. So if you're in the market for a Murphy bed or thought about tackling one on your own, don't be intimidated. You can do it. It's pretty easy. Look into the Create-A-Bed system and make your own Murphy bed. So one of the things that's really cool about the Create-A-Bed system is the Create-A-Bed patented adjustable Murphy bed mechanism. If you've ever built a Murphy bed in the past with one of those springs and you know that getting the tension right and adjusting it and everything is not easy and it can be dangerous. In the Create-A-Bed system, their mechanism allows the beds that are too heavy to lift or too light to remain on the floor to be effortlessly and easily adjusted in seconds, providing optimal weight balance glides when lifting or lowering. The gas pistons that they use are super smooth, and lowering and lifting this thing up and down is very easy. And the pistons right there, you can see them just snapping in, and they work really, really good. The other really cool thing about the Create-A-Bed system and making your own is you can customize this thing and use whatever material you want and have it look however you want, which is pretty cool. You obviously need to stick to certain parameters and dimensions as far as whatever size mattress and all that you're going to be using. But as far as the exterior of this thing, get creative and use whatever material you want. They do give you full scale templates for some of the parts, which is super helpful. And you can add bookcases to the left and right of this thing. We went with a large shaker panel in the front made out of cherry, and I think it turned out pretty cool.